Welcome to the DSO Financial Workbook for Vista by Olson Consulting. This workbook is a financial metric reporting tool that allows Vista users to review AR aging DSO metrics and visualize the data all in one report. All data is fully customizable, so you can use the workbook to fit your specific needs. It pulls in all data needed directly from Vista with one click anytime it needs to be run. The report has all the functionality of any Excel workbook. This is important as the data can be manipulated at the user's discretion. The workbook is fully customizable and could include additional points or be connected to Power BI for dashboarding purposes. The first thing you'll do after opening the workbook is the input parameter sheet, which includes some important information about the assumptions of this workbook. Specifically, you can see that the back-end data will refresh automatically at midnight, but this is fully customizable depending on your needs. To the right, you can also see the settings for AR Aging Crystal Report that you would use if you were to run this workbook manually. To use the workbook, start by selecting the company from the drop-down menu. Click Refresh Data, and then go to the Age by Month, which is where you can see your data and its visualization. Data is broken down into a few sections like AR aging or ratios, which are then visualized to provide an overview of how your business is performing financially and what trends may exist within it. The user can manipulate these numbers using formulas that they create themselves within the workbook itself, so it is easy for them to keep track of how their business is doing over time. You can also see all of the formulas used in the workbook by scrolling down, and a number check, which will equal to 0 when the number is checked. This is usually hidden, though you can choose to view it if you'd like. Thank you for watching this demo. We hope you enjoy the DSO Financial Workbook for Vista.